When you meet Rohit, as Rohit is one of the OGs in affiliate industry, right?
So I was like so mesmerized.
How someone can make money using AI?
Question
चलो बच्चे बाहर निकालो.
Very much personal question. How did you guys meet your husbands?
He proposed me.
Wow.
And he did not chase me.
Love story. OG love story है भाई ये तो. Who's the hero in your life?
ये ही बंदा चाहिए मुझे.
My husband.
Where do you see Amalfa in next 5 years?
Okay.
Let's go. What would you choose, love or money?
The money.
If you could bring back one person in your life, who would it be? Do you think money can buy happiness?
Yes.
Do you think like AI is going to eat human jobs? Do you guys fear death?
I would say it's destiny.
Basic जो core jobs है वो AI खाने वाला है, that's for sure. If you have like 24 hours left on this earth, how you are going to spend it?
तो उसके बिना नहीं रह सकते.
And I would spend my last 24 hours.
किसी सेलिब्रिटी ने आपकी साइट से प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया है? Like, I want to know that story.
Yes.
Please.
I think आपने वो गाना सुना होगा, तेरी कन्नदी वाली ने वो दिलजीत का सॉन्ग.
अच्छा
अभी जो बहुत
सानिया
yes, Sania Malhotra.
हाँ.
And she was wearing our earrings in that song.
Wow.
Yes, you should definitely check out.
In that song, right?
Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes.
shit.
तो
Wow.
वो हमारा एक बैंगर था जो अभी लास्ट ईयर आया था. उसके अलावा बहुत सारे हमारे ध्वनि भानुशाली के साथ हमने कोलैब किया था. इवन माधुरी दीक्षित स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग अस, सो दैट वाज अ
Wow.
बिग थिंग.
माधुरी
She
दीक्षित.
started following us because she liked something, so we are so proud of that. Ki, yeah, celebrities are also liking our products.
Yeah, one initially.
Huma Qureshi also. I
Yeah,
think.
Huma Qureshi.
Yeah.
And Divyanka Tripathi orders from us, and she loved our pieces, and you know Divyanka Tripathi, right?
Right.
Banu Mein Teri Dulhan. So she was like really popular. So that was the first order from a celebrity, and we were like very excited. And now it keeps us like on the high when we see these people ordering from us.
एक लेटेस्ट अभी हुआ है, पूजा हेगड़े, you know, remember?
Yes.
उनके
Yes,
साथ
yes.
हमने भी कोलैब किया है.
Hmm.
So people are buying, celebrities are buying.
कुछ
We are
करने-
getting know about.
Pretty good. Okay, like I have this question. This is open. Like anybody can answer. Like, do you guys also invest in influencer marketing? Because अभी influencer marketing बहुत hype है, right? Every brand is now doing some kind of collab with influencers, right?
Yes.
Does Amalfa work with influencers?
Yes, we do, but not on that level. We work on more like casual or organic content.
Okay.
जो हमारे कस्टमर्स खुद बना के देते हैं. हमारे लिए हमारे कस्टमर्स ही इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं
influencers,
अभी
right?
तक.
Okay.
वी इन्वेस्ट लिटिल बिट, मतलब कि थोड़ा बहुत हम करते हैं इन्वेस्ट एवरी मंथ, बट नॉट दैट मच जो कि बाकी ब्रांड्स करते हैं. ऑल्दो मे बी वो बिजनेस की नीड हो सकती है, बट वी फोकस ऑन कस्टमर ही हमारा इन्फ्लुएंसर है. सो वी ट्राई टू गेट whatever we get from our customers. So we prioritize the organic thing.
You're just trying
What
to
is
keep
there.
it real.
Yes.
So you're trying to
Keep it real.
ताकि लोगों को
Yes.
दिखे प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है,
Yes.
क्वालिटी
तभी
अच्छी
लोग
है,
ले रहे हैं.
तभी लोग
Ultimately
लेंगे.
customer को वही
Absolutely.
चाहिए.
इन्फ्लुएंसर को तो आप पे करोगे, वो बनाएगा आपकी वीडियो, पैसा दिया है आपने उन्हें. बट अगर आप कस्टमर से लोगे जो कि आपके खुद के कस्टमर्स है, तो वो ऑनेस्ट फीडबैक देंगे, एंड दैट लुक्स वेरी रियल. दैट इज द मेन थिंग फॉर अ ब्रांड.
Right. But आप सोच रहे हैं like in future like you are going to like invest into influencer marketing because बहुत सारे brands कर रहे हैं. They are like heavily like investing in that
yes,
thing.
yes, yes.
So
Of
you
course,
need to
अभी
do
ना
it.
सारी velocity and उतना आपको करना पड़ेगा compete लोगों के साथ. And for that, business की need के लिए, yes, definitely we'll do that.
Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Now my next question is, how do you make online jewelry shopping feel very much personal? नेहा.
ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग को पर्सनल बनाने के लिए इफ यूल चेक आवर वेबसाइट, हमारा पहला फोकस ही यही रहता है कि वी जस्ट मेक द जर्नी. whenever a customer comes to our website, he should be very clear, it should be very easy, user friendly होना चाहिए उसका लिए सारा कुछ. तो हम वो जर्नी इंश्योर करते हैं कि हर चीज बहुत यूजर फ्रेंडली हो. इवन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द AI थिंग दैट यू कैन try it on yourself. वो वाली
अच्छा,
चीज भी हम
okay.
embed करने वाले हैं अभी. So it will make easier for the customers to choose whatever they are buying.
Yeah.
So it will be easier for them. So इतने लेवल पे भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं कि हम कस्टमर को वैसा एक्सपीरियंस दे जैसा एक रिटेल में जाके होता है, कि आप उसको टच कर पा रहे हो, आपके ऊपर कैसा लग रहा है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन दैट. एंड अभी भी हमारे कस्टमर्स के लिए जो जर्नी है वो काफी सिंप्लीफाई करी है हमने. इट्स नॉट दैट इतना कोई बहुत कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्हें कुछ कंफ्यूजिंग लगे. We try to make it very real. The images are very real.
Yeah.
जो कि एक्चुअल में हमारा प्रोडक्ट है उसकी तरह ही लगे, बिल्कुल आर्टिफिशियल ना लगे. So we make sure of that thing.
Also, when you say that, how do we make it personal? If you check out any of our products, आपको हर product हर situation में देखेगा in the images. We do not just do it at एक angle दे दिया, एक कान पे डाल के दिखा दिया.
Right.
I would tell whenever we design the product page, we would show them how it would look on a sari, how it would look in a party, how it is going to look in the office. आप घर पे casually आपने एक simple suit पहना हुआ तो उसके साथ कैसा लगेगा? We do take care of that. So to make it, you know, you said the journey has to be personal.
It
So
has to
that
be
is how
personal, right?
we try to keep it as personal as possible. Then there's a video running on the sides which
Yeah.
shows the actual product also. So we do take care of that.
So we are giving styling tips also.
Yeah, shop the look.
Like we can give the ideas to the customer that you can buy this and wear it like this with this outfit. So something like that.
मतलब आपने optimize कर रखा है process.
Yes.
Like once they're on your landing pages, they feel like it's convincing. They feel the brand is trusted.
Yes.
So they feel some sort of connection with you guys on that part because
Yeah.
that's very important. Like once, because see, if I'm buying this Samsung S, like Samsung brand, because I feel that kind of connection. So you know, like कि इसमें कैमरा अच्छा ही होगा, इसका ये फीचर अच्छा ही होगा. तो
Yeah.
like when they come to your site, so they feel that kind of connection and
Yeah.
trust on that part, right?
Yeah.
So on terms of trust, we are also starting to put in a real customer image on every landing page
Alright.
that we have, so that the person who's looking at the product would know अब reality में बिना किसी editing बिना उसके ये product कैसे लगेगा, जैसे कहते हैं ना no filters.
Yeah.
So we're going to put that image also. We have started doing that on a few products. So that also we are going to do.
तो अभी मैं कुछ AI ऊपर कुछ आपसे बात करना चाह रहा हूँ. अभी AI अवतार्स आ गए हैं. तो have you guys thought about creating AI avatar for Amalfa brand? Like कुछ सोचा आपने?
बिल्कुल करेंगे. अभी तो
तो क्या
नहीं किया
सोचा
है,
आपने
but
AI के
yes,
ऊपर?
in the near future,
हम्म.
we are going to add such kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like अपने checkout page पे yesterday also we were talking about it कि AI अवतार लगा दे कार्ट पे जो बोलेगा भाई ये भी ले लो इसके साथ ये भी अच्छा जाएगा. So we were just thinking about random ideas and AI तो अभी बिल्कुल ही ब्लास्ट हो चुका है यार.
इतने सारे अवतार
बहुत
आ गए आजकल.
पागलों की तरह मतलब लोग उसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, चला रहे हैं and अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में इट्स गेटिंग यू नो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे लिए भी. तो ऑफ कोर्स डेफिनेटली वी कैन ऐड समथिंग एक्सेप्शनल अपनी साइट पे. We can
तो अभी आप मतलब AI कितना हो रहा है इसमें यूज like in your brand, like do you have a AI team to create
Yes.
like creatives,
Yes.
images,
Yes,
videos and,
yes,
and,
yes,
and all अभी?
because
So
we
it's
know
like-
that our background is performance marketing.
Yes, for sure.
तो परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग में तो मेन चीज है क्रिएटिव्स.
Yes,
और
right.
उस अब मेटा है तो हमें वेलोसिटी चाहिए क्रिएटिव्स
Right.
के लिए एंड फॉर दैट AI comes into the picture.
Hmm.
So we are using AI over there for the creatives, and we also it also helps us in modifying the designs for us,
Yeah.
making it faster. So
Right.
the process is getting faster because of AI.
So my next question is कि how much you guys invest into branding, PR, marketing? Because I've seen so many brands are doing it. Like they are heavily investing into PR. So how much does Amalfa invest into PR?
We are just getting started, to be
Okay.
honest. We have just featured in Vogue. उससे पहले भी हम लोग द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स, डेली गार्डियन, इन सब पे लिस्ट हो चुके हैं. मतलब हमारा यू कैन चेक इट आउट एंड बट इट इज जस्ट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज आवर ब्रांड इज ग्रोइंग रैपिडली. So does our PR.
Anyways,
So-
it's the condition of the game. You have to do it for yourself if
Yeah.
you're a brand. So we are doing it
And you're
to some extent. Small
small
part
stuff.
of our budget goes into that. as
And
well.
you're getting featured on my show also. So
Yeah, that's the main thing. PR
the
का
main-
सबसे बड़ा
that's the main PR, that's the main
that's
PR,
why
right?
that's why we said we are just getting started.
So they are getting started with my show. Yes. I
Yes.
think I'm going to make this video good, right? I love it. So my next question is, if you bought $10 million, where you are going to invest that money?
घूमेंगे फिरेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे ऐश करेंगे और क्या. Just
Okay.
kidding.
Okay, start
But
with me.
definitely
Okay.
हमें इतनी अच्छी फंडिंग मिल रही है लॉटरी से,
Okay,
तो
like
we'll
if you
put
get a
it.
funding, yeah.
Of course हम अपने ब्रांड पे लगाएंगे, दुगना तिगनी सेल्स करेंगे जहाँ पे हमें भी रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रहे हैं.
Hmm.
But of course we'll invest on ourselves, our life.
हम दोनों में लाला दिमाग यही है. मैं तो उड़ा देती. ये इन्वेस्ट करेगी ब्रांड के अंदर. मेरा हिस्सा मुझे दे दी, मैं घूमूंगी.
नहीं भाई बहुत ज्यादा दे रहे पैसे.
कितने दे रहे हैं?
बांट
10
लेंगे
million.
थोड़ा.
So it's a good answer. Okay. So now we are on the segment of very much personal and deep questions. Okay. So let's start with it. Okay. What's your favorite childhood memory? Like starting with Ishita.
Childhood
childhood
memory.
memory.
Oh.
वही वाला बता दे इशिता
कौन सा?
कौन सा? सब अच्छा लगा
याद
भी।
करने का टाइम दे रही हूँ तेरे को वही वाला बता दे
Go on, please.
मुझे याद है मेरे डैड मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम चंडीगढ़ लेकर आए थे. आई एम फ्रॉम हिमाचल प्रदेश
Okay.
and I was so small. So he took me to Sector 17, Chandigarh. That time it was very nice and Himachal was very पहाड़ों वाला जगह है. इतना मैदान नहीं दिखता, इतना अच्छा खुला प्लेन एरियाज, नो माउंटेन्स अराउंड. सो आई वाज लाइक सो मेस्मराइज, पापा पहाड़ कहाँ चले गए? सो पापा वाज लाइक कि बेटा ये ना वर्ल्ड में बहुत अलग अलग चीजें होती है, यू नीड टू एक्सप्लोर. अभी तो शुरुआत है, अभी आप बहुत छोटे हो, यू विल सी मेनी थिंग्स इन लाइफ. सो आई वाज सो दैट वाज सो मेस्मराइजिंग फॉर मी. आई वाज जस्ट अ चाइल्ड एंड मुझे नई चीज कुछ दिखी एंड दैट वाज द स्टार्टिंग. एंड वैसे ही हम अपनी जिंदगी जीते हैं, कुछ नया दिखता है, वी ऑलवेज लाइक वी चेरिश दोस मोमेंट्स कि हमें कुछ नया मिला. एंड ऑलवेज वी आर इन सर्च ऑफ समथिंग न्यू.
द आर्ट ऑफ नोटिसिंग.
And for you, Neha, your favorite childhood memory?
मैं बहुत पागल थी. आई यूज्ड टू ओपन माय मदर्स वार्डरोब और उसमें से चुन्नियां निकाल के उसकी साड़ी बनाती थी. एंड मम्मी की बड़ी बड़ी हील्स पहन के आई यूज्ड टू डू फैशन शो दरवाजे के पीछे. सो वो मेरी बेस्ट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरी थी. So yeah.
Okay. Now my question is, if you could bring back one person in your life, who would it be? Whether that person is dead or alive. Like Ishita, please. Starting
Bring
with you.
back
Yeah.
to life
Yeah.
my nanny.
Your nanny.
She
Okay.
was such a powerful lady. मतलब मैंने तो उन्हें बहुत ही powerful lady की तरह ही देखा है. Very composed. She knows what she is doing. The leader of the family kind of. She is the real alpha for me. And I really want her back if I can.
For you, Neha?
This is like very, very emotional for me. But yes, if I had that chance, I would bring back my father-in-law. He was an amazing person. Just really loved him.
I get it. Okay. And if you have like 24 hours left on this earth, how you are going to spend it? Ishita.
अपने बच्चे को, अपने पति को लेके पहले तो घूमने निकलूंगी वर्ल्ड टूर पे. वैसे वो कभी खत्म नहीं होने वाला.
घूमना आप लोग बहुत ट्रैवल करते हो, मैंने देखा आपकी स्टोरीज, बहुत ट्रैवल करते हो.
बट डेफिनेटली तब भी मैं यही करूंगी बिकॉज़ आई लव इट.
Ishita, for you?
Neha,
sorry. ये अच्छा है, ये blooper हो जाएगा. सही है. Neha, for you, please. Go ahead.
I'll take my kids, my husband to a nice and peaceful, somewhere outskirts where there is a good jungle, nice river, and I would spend my last 24 hours over
कैलिफोर्निया तो
there
नहीं?
with my family. I could be California वाले जंगल भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, so I could go there. Yes.
Okay. What is your biggest fear in your life, Ishita?
Oh.
छिपकली.
ये चीख मारती है छिपकली दिख जाए.
सही बात है. छिपकली तो भाई number one on the list. I hate.
Neha.
Getting sick.
Sick.
I'm very scared of being badly sick. तो मुझे बीमार नहीं होना है कभी.
Okay, next question. Okay, are you an introvert or extrovert, Ishita, and why? Like,
I think I am an extrovert, but I am introvert actually.
Okay.
So ऐसा लगता है कि मैं extrovert हूँ, but अंदर से मैं introvert ही हूँ. I feel peace. I feel places where I am alone and with myself.
Neha.
I would say I'm an extrovert. That's what people tell me. So I believe in that I am an extrovert.
Extrovert.
You know.
Okay, now another deep question. What is peace for you in your life?
I think being powerful, having full of self-expression in any moment you are. If anybody have thrown any kind of situation on you and you are facing it powerfully, gracefully, with confidence and you have self-expression at that point of moment, I think that is peace. If you are powerful in your head, you are at peace.
For you, Neha?
So like when I can be anything, be not restricted by what I have been taught since I was a kid. So I can be angry, I can be sad, I can cry, I can do anything. So when I'm free, I would say I am at peace. So to be
Okay.
at peace.
Okay. And next question. Do you think money can buy happiness?
Yes, definitely.
हाँ भाई सीधा. Second travel the world.
Yes, of course. बिना पैसे के मैं कैसे यार
Travel
मतलब
कर
how
सकती हूँ
can
ना.
I?
Okay.
मेरी प्लेन की टिकट्स नहीं आएंगी, मेरे होटल नहीं आएंगे. पैसा चाहिए.
नेहा.
So there's a saying that
Okay.
you know, it's better to cry in a Mercedes than to cry in on the road or in the rain. Like, so yes, money can buy happiness.
Okay.
But, yeah, not fully, but yeah, it has to be there.
Okay. How much money is important for you guys? Like how much? Like
Uh,
for example, like if you made like XYZ amount of money, that's your fire number, right? So
Yeah.
like how much for you?
I think if I'll achieve 100 crores,
100 crores.
then above that doesn't matter. क्योंकि उससे ऊपर अगर होगा भी तो it doesn't matter. If you are having a good lifestyle, उसके बाद अगर जितना भी पैसा आता है
like
जो
your
भी
fire
होता
number
है
100 crore. Okay.
it's वो फिर इतना वो add up नहीं करेगा. It is safe.
सेम मेरे लिए भी हाँ,
हाँ.
अगर उसके थोड़े आसपास भी आ जाए तो आई एम हैप्पी.
हाँ,
आई विल
I'm
नॉट बी
happy.
वर्किंग दैट हार्ड टू
Yeah.
दैट्स. मुझे कोई बिलियनर बनने का शौक नहीं है ऑनेस्टली. ठीक है. बहुत मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ यार. दैट्स आई एम हैप्पी.
Yes.
फॉर यू नेहा?
जब तक मैं मेन्यू की लेफ्ट साइड तक देख रही हूँ ना, लेफ्ट साइड पे देख रही हूँ, राइट साइड नहीं देख रही हूँ. अगर मेरे पास इतना है कि मैं इधर देख रही हूँ, आई एम फाइन. वो चाहे 1 करोड़ हो चाहे 100, इट डज नॉट
It
मैटर.
doesn't matter.
So I just want to look at this side. I never want to look at the price tag of the clothes that I buy. So I think that's what enough
you.
money for me is.
Okay, nice. Do you guys fear death?
Fear that.
Death.
अच्छा death. Oh sorry.
Do you fear
I fear
death?
I fear
सब
murder.
मरने से डर लगता है.
मैं किसी और के हाथों नहीं मरना चाहती. So I fear
और के हाथों
murder.
नहीं मरना चाहती.
तो बस वैसे I do not. It's okay. It's the reality of life.
मेरे-
It's gonna happen eventually. So
Yes, yes, it will happen. बस मुझे पानी में नहीं मरना. मुझे
तो पानी
मेरे
में नहीं
कमरे में
मरना.
एक बाथ टब रखवाओ जहाँ पे हमारी मीटिंग होती है. कुछ भी बोलेंगे पानी में फेंक तू कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है.
Okay. Okay. And so, what was the best year of your life and the worst year of your life? Ishita, starting with you.
There are many great years. The first one was 2021 when I got married to my husband.
Yes.
And the second one was 2023 when we started this business. And the third one was 2024 when I got my first baby.
Wow. Okay.
I got my baby बोले कि बेबी.
हाँ ठीक है. तो मैंने तेरे दो है, तेरा दो है ना?
अच्छा नहीं तो रोहित को भी काउंट करती है ना. वो भी तो है. रोहित भी बेबी है. Okay.
That's a good one. And what was the worst year for you of your
Worst
life?
year.
Mm.
वैसे
2023
God
था.
sake, मतलब ऐसा कोई हुआ नहीं है कि अभी तक कोई बहुत worst हो. But yes, I think 2023 में ही we had to shut down our
Your
previous brand.
company, yes.
That was
23 ना?
very tough for us.
Neha, the best year of your life and the worst.
यार मैं इस मामले में मुझे लगता है कि आई एम वेरी सॉर्टेड. देयर इज नो बेस्ट एंड देयर इज नो वर्स्ट. अभी भी जो है बहुत अच्छा है. जो पहले भी था वो उस टाइम भी बहुत अच्छा था. एंड आई होप जब फ्यूचर में भी जो होगा अच्छा होगा. So I think everything is like
Very good. Okay. If you could be remembered for one thing, what would it be? आप कैसे चाहते हैं आपको लोग याद रखें?
कैसे मैंने अपने आप को
Empower किया?
हाँ empower किया. And then how did I come back to being at a state where I'm शून्य. So I think क्वेश्चन क्या था?
शून्य.
आंसर करने हो.
सेंट बन गई आई थिंक.
मैं बोल रही हूँ क्वेश्चन क्या था? अच्छा आंसर था. अच्छा था.
क्वेश्चन क्या था?
मैं कुछ बोल
ये
गया
था कि
था.
तेरे को याद कैसे करेंगे ना.
हाँ हाँ
आपको
हाँ,
याद
कि कैसे
करेंगे,
कि
like,
कैसे
how
मैं
did-
वापस
हाँ.
how did I came back to zero from a person from a very big volatile state. How did I come back to zero? वैसे मैं याद नहीं करना चाहती.
Like Ishita, for you?
Okay, and for me, I think, okay, my mom told me when I was a kid, she said, be kind and be courageous always. So, that mantra, that always be kind, चाहे जैसे भी हो, लोगों के लिए या एनिमल्स के लिए, या जो भी लोग आपके आसपास हैं उन सब के लिए be kind and always be courageous.
Be kind.
जो
and
भी
courageous.
सिचुएशन आए, stand लो अपने लिए, just stand up for yourself and be there and own it. So अगर मैं वो चीज़ कर पा रही हूँ life में, so I feel like people will remember me that kind of woman, if I am that kind of woman.
For sure. Okay. What are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for this life,
For Neha,
for being Neha
Neha as a co-founder.
as a co-founder, and for everything that is there in my life. I'm very much grateful for my life that I'm having right now.
I think we guys are very lucky.
Same.
Like, to be very honest, we can work online. Like,
Yes.
we just need a
Yeah.
laptop
Yeah.
and a Wi-Fi, and we can
Yes,
start
yes.
working from anywhere. Like
Anywhere,
from
yeah.
the world. That's
Yeah.
beauty of this.
Only because we have very great team, such a great support
Yes.
system
Mm.
who is working day and night for us, with us.
Mm.
Yeah.
And of course, that is the major thing in a business. If you have that kind of people, that kind of leaders,
Mm.
then nobody can stop you. You can enjoy your work, whatever you're doing. So just focus on building those kind of leaders first.
Mm. Nice answer. Okay.
Same.
How do
Same
you,
ditto.
Okay. How do you deal with emotional people at the work, at your office?
Yeah.
Neha, please.
Please.
How do you deal with that? Emotional people who try to drag you emotionally into some conversation. I want to like know that part.
See, behind every emotion there is some story.
Mm.
So I think dealing with that, it's always about getting to that story. What is it that is leading to whatever emotion that's going on there? Is it like very sad, or is the person really angry? So it's more about the story. I need to know the story. What is happening? What has really happened?
Mhm.
So and that's how we tend to deal with such situations. Even for myself, I know there's a story behind my emotion. So
Okay. Like Ishita, do you want to share something on that?
I think that's somewhat same. We have to ask what happened. Actually, what happened? People make many stories. They have assumptions about what happened, जो उनके साथ हुआ है, or whatever they are dealing with. But when someone is there, just to listen, like what happened? क्या हुआ? ये बता दे बस. छोड़ सब कुछ. क्या हुआ क्या था? And when they say it, अपने आप 50-60% तो उसका mental load वहीं पे resolve हो जाता है. When you just provide that listening. So providing that listening is very important for me.
Trying to understand their problem, like
Yeah.
क्या चल रहा है, like what's it like in their mind.
Yes.
Right, so true. Acha, okay, my next question is, if you want $20 million in a lottery, what will you do with that money? Like, Ishita.
देखो ख्वाहिशें तो बहुत सारी हैं,
सबकी
but
होती है.
हमने बहुत पहले चीज सोची थी, and we also wanted something to do for the society, and but वो हो सकता था सिर्फ पैसों से, and अभी business भी चलाना है, and society को भी वो कुछ देना है, payback. तो we thought कि when we get that kind of money, जो कि हम बचा के हमारे पास कुछ extra पैसा होगा, we'll put there and start an NGO. तो वो NGO हम शुरू करेंगे अमाल्फा का, that we are going to do. तो हमारा मैक्सिमम 50 से 60% विल पुट देयर, एंड रेस्ट हम अपने वर्ल्ड टूर पे लगाएंगे.
yeah.
For you, Neha?
It's the same. We're going to invest into an NGO which would be empowering kids who actually have the ability to do something out of the edge. You know, in लोगों के पास वो privilege नहीं होता. I've been a teacher of a government school, so I've seen children with the potential, but they do not have those facilities and that kind of money to go, you know, deep into their interests. So maybe exploring that NGO would explore those kind of children and see their ability, and then
Because the quality of food in India was the major issue, and it is very much
Education.
prominent, and education and food, the quality is not good. So we want to invest there. We want to provide something which is good, which is of good quality, the education or the food,
and then of
in
course
in whatever way we can help them.
And then of course अपना farm house, अपना घूमना, अपनी itineraries और सब कुछ travel, वो सब भी आएगा.
For sure.
That is also important.
Yeah, that's
भगवान इतना तो कर बनाए कि हम जरूरतमंद की मदद कर सके.
help me
So
कर
that's
सके. Like that's a
main thing.
goal in your life. Okay. If you could go back and give your 18-year-old self one piece of advice, what would it be? Neha.
It'll all be sorted one day. मतलब जिस
It
चीजों
will
का
all be
नेहा तू अभी
sorted.
स्ट्रेस ले रही है ना, ये सब सॉर्ट हो जाएगा. तुझे
हो जाएगा.
पता भी नहीं, तुझे जो अभी बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है ना, ये इतना छोटा सा लगेगा जब तू बड़ी हो जाएगी. So don't think too much. Don't go deep. Enjoy yourself. बहुत अच्छे टाइम पे है. अभी तू 18 साल की है.
Enjoy.
बहुत मजेदार जिंदगी है. इसको एंजॉय कर. ये
Enjoy
बोलूंगी मैं
कर.
अपने
Yes.
18 साल.
Yes.
Like
For
for
me
you,
also
Ishita?
ditto. Because जो आप चीजें मैंने 18 साल से लेके 30 साल तक सीखी हैं, वो उसने मुझे आज बनाया है जो मैंने बनाया है. तो गलती करो, do whatever you wanna do,
Try to learn.
be whoever you are, जैसे भी हो आप as a person, enjoy करो अपनी लाइफ को. एक challenges आएंगे, face those challenges, that will make you the person who I am today, or maybe the better one.
For sure. Okay. What would you choose, love or money, and why?
Love. Love for me.
Love. For sure, love.
Love. Why?
Love.
They say because
Love.
I would choose love, because even if you have a lot of money and there's no love around you, वो
It's not worth
खोखला
it.
लगता है. It's not
खोखला
worth it.
लगता है.
I want
It's a
both
big
of
house
them.
with an
मुझे
empty
दोनों
heart.
चाहिए. मुझे लेकिन सबसे पहले प्यार चाहिए. Then I want the money. So उस प्यार वाले बंदे के साथ या जो भी लोग हैं उनके साथ I want to spend that money. So
Yes.
like that.
And मैं instance बताऊंगी. She was asking me to come on a trip. ठीक है, चलते हैं बैंकॉक. And I'm always like, इसको भी पता है मैं कितनी चिपकू हूँ. अपने पति के
Bangkok
साथ.
मत बोल,
So it's
silent
like कि हाँ, कि it's like कि अगर मैं कहीं वर्ल्ड टूर पे भी जा रही हूँ, so it should not be without my husband. My husband should be there.
Wow.
My
बहुत
love should
चिपकू
be
है.
there. So वो मतलब नहीं बनता. तब कहीं पे भी हूँ मैं, चाहे कितनी लग्जरी रिजॉर्ट पे बैठी हूँ, अकेले नहीं मैं रह सकती, उसके बिना नहीं रह सकती. So that's very true.
वो भी नहीं रह सकते.
Okay, now
वो भी
I
चिपकू
have
है.
some very much personal question. How did you guys meet your husbands? Okay, like starting with Ishita.
Oh God, ये question
चलो
मुझसे
बच्चे
नहीं
मार
start
निकालो.
करना था.
बच्चे मार जाओ.
Oh God, ये मेरे घर वाले
Like
तो नहीं
that
देखने
story
वाले.
has to be out, right? So please go
Okay,
on.
there.
It was year 2018.
2018. Okay. Mhm.
2017.
2017.
April, May.
Okay.
And I was working somewhere else. I was in Infosys. I was software engineer.
Mhm.
And after my office hour, we used to hang out with friends and all. They were out there. शाम को मस्ती करते थे. And we went to one restaurant, or you can
Club
say
था वो.
club. And we went there, and he was also there with his friends. And then we met. He was just sitting there, and we made eye contact. And that second, I knew that ये ही बंदा चाहिए मुझे.
हाँ, यही मेरा प्यार है.
बस देखने में ही. And that day and today, it's
Okay.
something clicked. I would say it's destiny. अगर मैं उस दिन वहां ना जाती, तो आज मैं यहाँ ना होती या उसके साथ नहीं होती. That it's all about destiny. वो पहले से predestined होता है, I think. So
he proposed you first or you proposed him?
देखो ऑफिशियली तो उसने ही किया
हाँ,
था.
वो तो कर रही as a man.
बट वैसे तो दोनों साइड से क्लियर ही था, तो it's
अच्छा.
mutual.
Mutual
था,
proposal
right?
था.
Okay. So you meet in 2017, right?
Yeah.
Like, so you saw each other like first time, right?
Yeah.
So you started dating, and
Yes.
at what year? So you guys got married?
We
I
got
think
married in 2021. And it got delayed 1 year because of COVID.
because of COVID, right?
Yeah. So we dated like good 3-4 years.
Okay. Wow.
So that thing, that bond got better, stronger. So
But when you meet Rohit, as Rohit is one of the OGs in affiliate industry, right?
that
He's
time
so
he
much
was not.
focused in like
That
no,
time he
no.
was not.
No, I know the numbers. He's pretty much serious guy. Like in
Yeah,
terms of
he
affiliate
is, he is.
marketing, he was making he's very like intellectual person, to be very honest. So how did you match that energy of Rohit? Like, he's hardworking guy. He might be working like,
I would just say he is anchor to our ship. He's so
Okay.
patient. He's
Wow.
calm, and I'm just opposite of him.
Wow.
So I just want to say that. So we
Neha.
can't move without each other.
Okay, Neha, for you, like, what's your love story? I want to hear that.
See, I do not have a very, what do we say? What is the right word? Blingy love story, I would say.
Blinky,
But
okay.
yeah. But we met through a friend. He was my senior in school, the friend,
Okay.
and we met through him. And we started meeting. I told him that I don't want to talk to strangers, and we started interacting. And then, dheere dheere karke, it turned into friendship, and the friendship turned into something else. And he was focused that I want to get married. So yes, he proposed me.
In what year? Sorry, please.
I
tell me
want
the date.
to answer this question for her because I know that instance जो मुझे बताया गया था उस टाइम पे. तो he said जब उसने नेहा को देखा था फोन पे, he took his phone to his mother and said, मम्मी लो तुम्हारी नू, ऐसे बोला ना कुछ.
Hello, Tadi Nu.
लो तुम्हारी नू.
Wow.
He was very focused.
He was
उसको
very-
उसने
he was very clear.
शादी करनी है सीधा. And I was like नहीं पहले अभी घूमेंगे देखते हैं. Let's see if we click. And he was like नहीं शादी करनी है तो बात कर वरना मत कर. I did not talk to him for a week. And he did not chase me. And that's when I knew ये बंदा अलग है. इसने बिल्कुल chase नहीं किया मुझे. And he is very focused and he is very serious. So then I started chasing him. So he says that I have proposed him, but he had already proposed me before that. So yes, that's how we met.
Wow.
So it was in the year 2012 and we dated for 4 years.
2012.
Yeah, 10 साल होने वाले हैं हमें इस साल शादी के शादी के जानने के तो 14 साल हो जाएंगे.
Wow, that's a very
So
long
geez.
love story. OG love story है भाई ये तो. This is like a very long
2016 we got married.
Okay.
2019 we had our first son. In 2020, 24, 23, 24. You know 24 we got our
24.
second son. So I have 2 babies now.
So you have seen his journey from
I've seen his journey from
Yeah, yeah.
वो चप्पलों में घूमते हुए. I've seen him. I've seen him on a bike.
from zero
I've
to
seen him
hero.
struggle.
Yeah.
I've seen both of them, Rohit and Siler partners. I've seen both
Right.
of them staying away throughout the night for I think 48 hours also.
Wow.
They work really hard. I've
I
seen.
know them. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
they're
so-
very hardworking guys on that part.
So I've seen them from here to the top.
to
I've
there,
seen-
right?
And hopefully it's just this much. They're going to go very high.
For sure.
Beyond.
Like they're very hardworking guys. They're launching so many products.
Yeah.
Investments are there. I've
Yeah.
seen their journey. Like because I did podcasts with
Yes, Rohit.
your husband. Like
you
and
just see the other aspect, but we have seen the personal side of them. They are amazing people.
Yes.
Like, for sure.
You have not met people like them.
Wow.
So they are grounded.
Very grounded, very grounded.
Very grounding. Like very humble on that part, right?
Yes.
ऐसा लग रहा है रोहित साहिल की प्रमोशन हो रही है. हम भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. हम बहुत ग्राउंडेड हैं.
मैं बहुत grounded.
मैं बहुत grounded हूँ.
उनके लिए अलग से एक ना कर लेंगे. ऐसा मतलब
अभी हमने उस वाले उसमें
इट
डाल
इज
देना.
वेरी रेयर कि हमें पतियों की वो अच्छाई बोलने का मौका मिलता है. बट
अच्छी बात है ना. मैं यहाँ बोल रहा हूँ. यहाँ अच्छी बात है ना. यहाँ बोल रहा मेरे शो में आके अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. चलो मेरा शो अच्छा है. मतलब कुछ तो अच्छा कर रहा हूँ मैं. अच्छा अब मैं कुछ एआई के ऊपर कुछ सवाल पूछना लाइक इंटरेस्ट. आजकल एआई हर जगह बात हो रही है. सुबह शाम आप लाइक स्क्रॉल हो गए एआई का कुछ नया लाइक अपडेट आ गया. डू यू थिंक लाइक एआई इज गोइंग टू ईट ह्यूमन जॉब्स? जो बहुत सारे लाइक लोग स्कैर हैं एआई से अभी कि हमारी जॉब जाएगी.
आई डोंट थिंक सो.
Not at all.
आई डोंट थिंक
Why?
सो.
Like
एक टाइम था जब कंप्यूटर्स नहीं थे एंड देन दैट रेवोल्यूशन केम इन. कंप्यूटर्स आए तो भी लोगों ने बोला अब तो ये लोगों की जॉब खाएंगे. बट ह्यूमंस ने कुछ अपने को इस तरीके से डेवलप किया दैट दे स्टार्टेड वर्किंग अकॉर्डिंगली एंड देन यूज दैट थिंग, नॉट गॉट यूज्ड बाय इट.
Yeah.
सो it will happen this time also. Human race hai, they'll make ways.
So it's not
Yeah,
about
something-
AI and
yeah.
human beings. It's about people with AI and people
Yeah.
without the knowledge of AI. So जो जीतेंगे वो AI की knowledge वाले लोग होंगे. Who's gonna win the race? It's not that AI कुछ लेके जाएगा.
AI enabled लोग.
Enabled लोग will be more successful.
Because अभी भी बहुत सारे लोग मेरे मतलब मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स आता हूँ मतलब कुछ जो कॉलेज वाले हैं अभी भी लाइक उन्होंने एआई के को अडॉप्ट नहीं किया है. अभी वो बेसिक कोर जॉब्स में इन्वॉल्व है. मैंने कहा बेसिक जो कोर जॉब्स है वो एआई खाने वाला है. दैट्स फॉर श्योर.
Means we should definitely learn what is AI and should adopt that thing. But it's not like that वो आपकी job खा जाएगा. We need people to run AI. We need
Yes.
people to give prompts. We need people to train AI and everything. The people will stay here only.
And for the people who are not
Yes.
adapting this thing, यार एक कहावत है कबूतर अगर आंखें बंद कर देगा तो ऐसा तो नहीं होगा बिल्ली नहीं खाएगी. So to open your eyes and see what's going to happen
What's
around
going
and you
on,
have to stay updated to that.
Yes.
Stay
So be
updated.
prepared. So
Right.
whatever is
Yes.
the billy going to do.
We need to
Yes.
adapt that thing for sure.
Like what's your favorite AI tool, Ishita?
It was ChatGPT earlier. मतलब अभी भी हम use कर रहे हैं. But my recent favorite is the Claude.
Claude.
भाई साहब.
Claude भाई साहब. आपका नया?
I am really liking the Lovable app of AI.
Achha,
So
okay.
they are like supporting a lot on the website stuff. And yes, the ChatGPT's latest version is also
Like
doing
5.5
amazing.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's doing amazing. So I think even that one is my current favorite.
Your current favorite. Okay. अभी बहुत सारा लाइक एआई के ऊपर जो आप देख रहे हो लाइक ऑन योर सोशल चैनल्स हर जगह आ रहा है, एंड हाउ समवन कैन मेक मनी यूजिंग एआई, कैन यू शेयर लाइक एआई से लोग कैसे अर्न करते हैं,
अरे
कुछ इनसाइट दोगे आप?
आई थिंक अभी कमिंग इयर्स में ना बहुत ज्यादा स्टार्टअप्स आने वाले हैं फॉर श्योर. क्यों आने वाले हैं? क्योंकि एआई इंट्रोड्यूस हो चुका है एंड इट इज मेकिंग थिंग्स वेरी इजी फॉर एनीबॉडी. किसी के पास आइडिया है ना, इट विल मेक यू नो बिल्ड समथिंग. तो उतनी कैपेसिटी है एआई में. बस आपके पास आइडिया अच्छा होना चाहिए और आपकी एग्जीक्यूशन पावर इतनी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, एंड रेस्ट AI will definitely help you, you know, start something.
It is bringing the velocity in,
Yeah,
in
it is
everything.
bringing the velocity,
Speed. जो
yes.
10 दिन में काम होना है, it's just like a matter of few hours.
In few hours.
Yeah,
So you can
AI
get-
won't make the brands, won't build the brands, but it will definitely add the velocity to it.
Okay.
And come investment में.
Yeah.
Which character you like the most from the latest movie, The Devil Wears Prada? Like this is a fashion related iconic
Miranda,
movie,
yes,
right? So
yes.
I want to ask you this question.
वो
Like,
boss है.
so
The boss, Miranda.
the boss Miranda. Why? Like
She is just a vibe. मतलब वो vibe है उसमें. अपने
why?
character जो है ना, that was very powerful. So
Okay.
I really like her.
But you don't want to be like her?
No, I can be, but not somewhat like her, but that aura
Yeah.
Mhm.
of
That aura
presenting
is-
herself, that power, that confidence, that was amazing. I love her.
Like for you, Neha?
Andrea, like she was unstoppable everywhere. She did everything just to be there in that space with Miranda, you know, to be with that powerful person. I think she was a great character in the
Okay.
movie. The Emily.
The Emily.
She was the Emily.
Wow, nice answers. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, what are your favorite fashion brands? Like
There's
for
no
you?
specific brand if you'll ask me in terms of clothing and all. I actually go for new startups, whatever I like.
Mm.
I see many brands doing great things. Like
Mhm.
this stuff I got from some new brand on Instagram, and this is also from an Instagram brand. So I always support Instagram brands, all new startups, whatever
Mhm.
they are bringing. They have amazing designs. They are way ahead of trends. So I love them. I always support them. I'm not a brand frenzy kind of
Brand
person.
fancy.
Yeah.
So you prefer someone who's
Yes.
more creative,
Yeah.
authentic.
Yeah.
But
For you?
ऐसा actually वो लोग effort भी ज़्यादा मारते हैं अपनी चीज में. They would try to bring in the edgy designs and they would try to bring in that quality. मुझे वो चीज that is there in the new brands. They are bringing in that effort. Once you become something big ना, I think वो बाकी सब चीजों में designs की तरफ उसकी तरफ ना ध्यान कम चला जाता है. It's more about sales and business for them. Later on. That is why whenever we talk about our brand, we always say कि हमें छोटे धीरे धीरे grow करना है, but ये सब साथ लेके grow करना है. The designs also and the quality also ये सब. So we are
So
taking
you want
that.
to make an
should-
impact. Like,
It should look like, it should feel like it's a fresh air always. It should
Right.
not be, old
Yeah.
हो गया पुराना है. It should be very fresh.
like authentic, fresh
yes.
on that part, right?
तो भी अगर आप नोटिस करोगे ना हमारी ब्रांड की कोई स्टोरी कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाती because we try to bring in something new every single time. So sometimes we start with this, then we try to bring in as per the fashion and as per the requirement of the customer or the people
Right.
who are buying from us.
Yeah.
So yeah, but yes, finally it's the call of the business. It's a requirement, it's the condition of the game that we have to bring in a story. So yeah, we are focusing on that now. Finally, we're getting into the story thing.
Okay, like Neha, who's the hero in your life?
Like the hero.
Like hero, like someone who like inspires you the most.
See, every girl's hero is always her father, and my dad is like he has always been very hardworking, and he has never given up in life. Whatever kind of struggles we have seen in life, he has been a person who I should idolize. He was never stopped by anything or anybody. So yes,
Wow.
he, and then yes, there's another hero, and he would be super proud when he listens to this, but it's my husband.
Yeah. Okay. Finally.
Yeah, he is an amazing person. As a
You're
human
talking
being.
about human.
Like yes, it can be. Yes.
Were you talking about a
Human.
hero?
Yeah. No,
You're
not
talking about
that
a human
hero.
being. Acha, haan,
Like,
theek hai.
like a human.
Okay,
So for you, Ishika,
My mother, as always.
your mother is
Yeah.
your hero in your life.
Yes.
Why? Like
She was a working woman, and she is working till today. And she is taking care of us. साथ में हम बच्चों को सब उन्होंने अकेले अपब्रिंग किया क्योंकि पापा की पोस्टिंग कहीं और होती थी. So we used to stay with her, and her posting was in the mountains जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा चीजें अवेलेबल नहीं होती थी.
Mhm.
ऐसे सिचुएशन में भी मम्मा ने जॉब भी की, हम बच्चों को सारी वैल्यूज दी, बड़ा किया, एंड कुछ ऐसा नहीं महसूस होने दिया दैट वी आर मिसिंग आउट समथिंग. वी आर here because of her today, and she has done amazing with us, I would say, and I always look up to her.
For
She
sure.
is a
That's
hero.
so like emotional on that part. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I lost my mom in 2018 due to cancer. So I know I feel her presence every single day. Sometimes I want her back because when I was like started this affiliate marketing journey, right? She always like very happy. Like I was doing this kind of thing. I was speaking, traveling the world. She was so proud of me on that part. So
Yes, definitely.
So like mom is always special.
She is always proud of you.
Yes, for sure.
Should know this thing.
Okay, what do you think the good company culture looks like? Because as you might have seen so many stories on social media, so many companies they have a toxic work culture. So for you, what does a good company culture looks like?
ऐसे में तो हमें तो अपने एम्प्लॉयज को यहाँ बिठाना चाहिए था, जो कि कैमरे के पीछे बैठे
They
हैं.
will tell you the reality
Yeah,
of
behind the cameras. Yeah.
Well, we see this thing. We let them be. मैं इसको मारूंगी, मैं बता रही हूँ, ये बंदा मेरे को बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहा है.
मारूंगी, ये बहुत सही है. अरे सही है, मतलब टीजर अच्छा बनेगा. That's a good one.
See, when we say a good company culture, it's more about the kind of freedom you tell. Let them. They have to perform. But अगर आप ऐसे करोगे ना कि उनके हाथ बांध दोगे और फिर बोलोगे जा perform कर, they will not be able. I don't think they will be able to perform
Yes.
to that level. So we tell them जा try कर. कोई बात नहीं, हार जाएगा ना, खराब हो जाएगा, but you just test. But हर बार नई गलती कर. Bring in a new mistake, do that. We focus more on the user experience of our employees. कि उनको मजा आना चाहिए काम करने में, क्योंकि उनको मजा आएगा ना तो वो अच्छा काम करेंगे.
Yeah.
So that is what we are focusing on.
That's why we take feedbacks also. हमेशा being the founders or anything, but we also take feedbacks from them कि भाई बता दे, तेरे को ठीक लग रहा है ना. We ask twice. अभी क्या तुझे समझ आया ना, तुझे ठीक है ना, तो ठीक है ना. So that is very much important to provide that kind of space for your people. That is the main thing
So
and
true.
main key.
And Neha, you read books, right? So I want to ask you this question: what books have shaped your career? Like
So many.
so many.
So many. Yeah, really so many. So, but what I really liked was Ikigai. It's a Japanese book. Then I really like Atomic Habits. It's again an amazing book, and also The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that's a
good
so
book
many
too.
people have read this book. Yeah, for sure. What's the favorite part of your job, and the least favorite?
Please पहले क्यों नहीं बताया मुझे question?
ये question तो आना ही था.
Favorite part of the job.
Yes.
और यार सबके सामने.
कान बंद करो चलो.
पैसे के लिए.
Favorite part of the job. थोड़ा सोच ले इसके बारे में.
मैं
थोड़ा
बोलूँ.
अच्छा
So
आंसर
you can-
देना चाहता है.
So the
So Neha can answer, yeah.
favorite part of being in this job is being the boss, and the least
Okay,
favorite
being the
part
boss,
of being in this job is being the boss.
And the least favorite?
Is also being the boss.
Because it comes with lots of
Yeah.
responsibilities.
Like
Many
yeah, so you
things.
have
So
that
with,
right.
with great
Yeah.
power comes great responsibility.
Great
So yes,
responsibilities.
Yeah,
favorite and
true.
the least favorite, just
Well
the same.
said.
Very nice answer.
Very
okay.
nice.
So Ishita, as you are a traveler, like, okay, what's your favorite place for vacation?
Italy.
For vacation, I love Italy. First one
Italy?
is Italy. Yes.
Even I know that. Italy.
And I have a list if you want to know. First one is Italy. The second one it's Norway. Third
Norway.
one Switzerland, and the fourth one which I am planning to go to, it's New Zealand.
Japan नहीं जाएगी.
Japan is also good, but मैंने top 4 बताया.
Okay, for you, Neha.
Japan
Her third favorite is my first favorite. I really love Switzerland because of the nature and the mountains and the views. And I also like it's an Indian place. If somebody has heard about it, I like Kurg. It's in India, so it's a beautiful place to be in. And I'm not a big traveler, and I like California too. It's also beautiful. Like it's urban and nature, so I like that mix.
I'm
Okay.
going to Coorg, by the way, next week.
मेरे को ले जा प्लीज ले जा मुझे
Okay,
मुझे मत
okay.
छोड़ के जा
Okay, what's your best tip for making the world a better place? Ishita,
Like I said, be kind.
be
Be kind to everyone, whoever comes to you. Never be, of bad mouth. Just talk nicely to people. Just listen to them, help them in whatever way you can. So,
What for you, Neha?
I think taking responsibility of
Taking
anything and
responsibility,
everything around you. I think that would make the world a better place. जहाँ आप गंदगी देख रहे हो, if the person who is staying there is responsible about their surroundings, they would keep it clean. So I think responsibility is the key.
This question is open for you both guys, okay? If Genie grants you 3 wishes, what would it be?
Amalfa की हम personal
आपके लिए personal, I think.
personal.
Yes.
I think मेरे लिए तो ये है कि मुझे जीनी बता दे स्टॉक मार्केट में नेक्स्ट क्या ऊपर जाने वाला है, नीचे जाने वाला है,
Stock market में
पैसा
okay.
कमाएगी
तो मुझे पहले पता चल जाए
ठीक
कि
है.
क्या होने वाला है. दूसरी चीज ये कि मुझे प्रेडिक्शंस पता लग जाए फॉर माय ब्रांड. पहले ही ऐसा सिस्टम बन जाए कि मुझे कोई
Friends.
और ब्रांड पहले करे, इससे पहले हम मार्केट में हो, तो वैसी कोई मशीन बन जाए. एंड थर्ड
महीने मांग लो.
She's me.
आई वांट अ पीसफुल हैप्पी लाइफ एंड दैट काइंड ऑफ फार्म हाउस जो हम अभी बात कर रहे थे
अच्छा,
विद माय
yes.
फैमिली.
Neha, for you.
3 wishes. Okay, first, yes, the first one I would want कि obviously what Ishita said कि हमारे brand में जो trend हमारी direction में आने वाला है, फिर कोई भी नई category launch हो रही है, we should know that first and we are there in the market before everybody else. Second is मुझे जो भी ये तूफान वगैरह आ रहे हैं इसकी predictions पहले पता लग जाए ताकि मैं पहले ही सबको alert कर सकूं.
Alert
बट सारे
करें.
कहेंगे ये पागल है, बोली जा रही है, but yes, but then the world should also know that I have that genie power. And third wish is world peace. I really want ये wars वगैरह please ये बंद हो जाए. It's like too much.
Please.
So you want to stop
That's
the wars.
true.
Yeah, सारी
हाँ.
wars should stop everybody living peacefully. So that
Yeah.
would be my third wish.
अभी हम लोग ट्रैवल करने वाले थे, कुछ भी ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाए.
नहीं,
लास्ट मंथ
नहीं,
आपका भी ट्रैवल प्लान से
Yes,
सबके
yes.
रहे.
दुबई गया.
दुबई का सब प्लान
दुबई for
कैंसिल,
cancer.
सब कैंसिल.
Safest place has just turned into something
Turn
else.
into something else. Yes. Okay, one very last question. Let's end this podcast with this amazing question. Where do you see Amalfa in next 5 years?
Okay.
Let's go, Ishita.
Okay. Customers go to brand. The first choice of the customers means we focus on the customer satisfaction. Second is the top-notch quality will be given by Amalfa in India. The third one is the value for money, which you call the luxury, affordable luxury. And
Yeah.
we should be on the top of that. Definitely the luxury, and which is affordable. So
Yeah.
we want to stand for that and be on the top of that list in India.
Neha, your thoughts on that? The
Same. The vision matches completely.
Yeah.
The
That's
vision
why we are the partners.
For sure. हेलो. हाँ जी रोहित भाई, वो चेक कहाँ है? पॉडकास्ट तो काफी बढ़िया हो गया, चेक अभी तक मिला नहीं है कुछ भी.
हेलो. हाँ रोहित. अच्छा इनको चेक देना है. ठीक है मैं दे देती हूँ. क्या यार उनसे मांग रहे हो, आप डायरेक्ट मांगो.
ठीक है, मैं डायरेक्ट मानो, बेटर ये रहेगा. फेस है ना अभी हम लोग. Okay, so thank you so much for doing this podcast. I have got my check from Rohit Ajmani भाई. चेक आ गया मेरे पास, चेक आ गया अभी फिर से, तो वो मेरे को चेक दिए जा रहे हैं, मैं क्या करूँ. तो thank you so much.
That's
Thank
great.
you so
And
much.
it was
It was-
really nice.
Yeah, it was really
having
nice
you
speaking
here.
with you.
Thank you so much.
आते रहिए.
आते रहिए. So thank you so much guys. If you
Thank
get the
you.
value from this podcast, please share with your friends and look forward for Amalfa in next 5 years. Bye bye. Take care. Did it.